Welcome. If your Telegram desktop app keeps switching into power saving mode when your battery is low and it's starting to limit animations or performance, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn that off using the latest Telegram update. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your PC. Make sure it's fully loaded so you can access all the settings without any delay. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can customize how Telegram behaves on your computer. Inside Settings, scroll until you see the option labeled Battery and Animations. Click on it. This is where Telegram manages performance-related features, especially when your device is trying to conserve power. Now, look for the option called Save Power on Low Battery. When this feature is enabled, Telegram automatically reduces animations and background activity to help save battery life. While that can be useful, it might also make the app feel slower or less smooth than usual. To disable it, simply toggle the option off. This tells Telegram to keep running normally even when your battery is low. After turning it off, don't forget to click on Save to apply the changes.